something's not supposed to be on the internet. All right. Ooh, I can get Mario. I can get Mr. Game & Watch from Super Smash Bros. That's my guy. Who else can? You lost me. Deadpool or Mario? I'm gonna do Mr. Game & Watch. Whoa! No way. I'm going for it. There is. I was the one who made Oshawott mod. Oh shit! Nice. That's super cool. Yeah, I see that in the I see that in the description. It says that a lot of them aren't finished. Yeah, I just had to. Oh, did I have to reset the whole game? I just said I had to reload the mod list. I'm gonna see right here. Oh no, it's right here. Cool. I'm gonna try the cowboy first. I play this game. I fucking post a lot of it on like TikTok and shit like that. The Yami Hustle, the stick figure fighting game, the new one. Yeah. Oh man, you guys know it. Yami Hustle. I'm raw at that game. I'm good at making things look cool. I don't know how really good I am on multiplayer, realistically. But your only move is hustle. Yee, we can run that up in a bit. You know, like I want to play around with the custom characters on this, and then I'll probably play some Yami Hustle. I've never streamed it. I didn't think it was gonna be like a good streaming game. Cowboy Justice. I'm liking it so far. Some of his moves are definitely not finished. Oh my goodness though, hold on. What is that special? None of his specials are done. His damage is crazy. What is that? I mean, I was gonna say, not gonna lie. It's pretty nice. I'm not mad at him. There's only like, I think his specials are not done. And I think this is gonna be like his lasso. He's really jumpy. And his like, oh, whoa, he does have the special. Shoot. Look at the special. That's cool as shit. Oh yeah, they did this man kind of justice a little bit. Ooh. Somebody else has gotta play with me as the cowboy. Oh shit! Man just hit me with deal! Or whoever the fuck that was. I think I got it. Yeah, that's the one. I didn't get a good look at him. I wonder what my grab looks like. Oh shit. Not finished. Nice. Ooh! His combos move so crispily. Except for his down special. Not good. But I guess they gotta kind of nerf him somehow. So basically, holy. Alright, just kill myself. Oh, I didn't. You can cancel that. That's good to know. Oh, I'm frozen. Oh, that's game. That's game. That's game. Oshawott Boomstick the Cowboy. I'm gonna go Mr. Game & Watch. This will be a match. Cause I'm actually good with Mr. Game & Watch. I know what he does. Hopefully he does the same, similar things, you know. Ooh, water. That's necessary. What's going on? Oh no, it's me. Walter White assist? This game just became so much better. This is actually cool. Okay. I like this. I like the custom characters. That's cool. The regular base characters are mid. But the custom characters, that's where it's at. Damn, my stomach hurt. I don't got no food. I need some like saltine crackers. Draco 950, what's going on? I'm trying out custom character. Oh my god, Mr. Game & Watch is ungodly loud. I'm trying out custom characters in fraymaker. And it is really loud. Let me know if I need to turn that down, because it's really loud for me. I am gonna turn that down. It's actually just, I can't even focus. Matter of fact, I can't do this. I gotta switch. It's like beaming my eardrums with these loud ass beeps. I cannot play Mr. Game & Watch. I made a custom assist. I made the sprites and coding for set assist. What assist is it? I'll get it. I'll try it out. Let's see what we got rocking. Let me open up the workshop. Let me come here. Just in case there's something that isn't meant to be seen. What assist was it? I'm gonna look it up and see if I can get it. I seen the Mario pissing assist. I actually might get that. There's also a Gibbie assist. I'm gonna get the Gibbie assist. Who else? There's some female fighter that looks interesting. Terraria Boulder? What's going on, Camus Milky? I am trying to find a new character to play. I might go with Deadpool, but it doesn't have a lot of stars. And I know that sounds like, oh, like shitty, but the last character I played that didn't have a lot of stars was not great. You're working on a character? I want to see that character. I'm actually very interested in the assists. So far, the characters and assists I've seen from other people, like especially people that are like have come and popped into my stream, they've been really good. The Oshawott, the Metal Bar, like they've been top tier. And I think my new main is gonna be the Cowboy from Yami Hustle. Holy shit! There's a thick Omni-Man assist, and I might need that. I mean, Undertaker, he has one of the best custom movesets I've seen. Undertaker, huh? There's a lot. I can be a straight up Anvil, I guess. I guess I'll go Gengar. The Anvil is a mid character. I was thinking, how the fuck? Should I play him? Should I try to be best Anvil character, main in Fraymakers? The Draco assist. Try Blanco. Alright. Oh, wait. SSB 2? Super SpongeBob 2? I can be SpongeBob? Whoa, I haven't seen this sprite in years. I'm gonna have to do SpongeBob. Oshawott has he has a great moveset. Very smooth. I was just playing, actually, Super Oshawott made him, and I was just playing him. Super crispy. I'm really loving all of the characters that are coming out of this right now. It's pretty nice. It's making the game worth its money. I'm gonna try out Anvil and SpongeBob, and then I'll also try out Blanca, because that was who I played as when I played Street Fighter. Hopefully it's not too loud. I'm gonna turn it down before I even go back, because I think it's just generally too loud. Thank you so much for the follow, Ms. Milky. I honestly really appreciate that. I think just regular sound should turn down like fighting effects, right? Thank you for the follow, Draco, on like high quality. Really appreciate it. I think sound should just to turn down the fighting effects, right? I think so. I'm just gonna wing it. Let's do this. I'm actually a Smash Bros. Crusade dev, by the way. Really? That's crazy.
Choose your character.
I want to make a Spider-Man Venom character mix where it's half Spider-Man, half Venom. That would be nice. I would have to play that. You would have to make it. You would have to make it to where like he has like almost like a teleport, but with like his webs. You know what I mean? So he can be like, and then get out the way hella quick. That would be crispy. And then like have like a bunch of like a real grapple character. That would be nice. That would be nice. I'm excited for it. Please do that. I'm looking forward to that. I'm gonna do SpongeBob first, because he looks cool. I remember playing as that.
Stratastar.
Oh, I should have did Walter White. I should have changed my assists. I helped to make Turtle playable. Ooh. Wait, so you actually like dev'd on? That's super clean. Welcome aboard. We can create some great characters. What's going on with my game? I was in Oshawott in Crusade. He's asking the big boy questions. SpongeBob? Oh my, SpongeBob is looking nice actually. I might main SpongeBob? All of his, he's fully fleshed out. He doesn't have any missing animations? Except for his grab's kind of funky. Yeesh. He's kind of, he's like, not very spongy for being a fucking sponge. Oh shit! What a counter. What a counter. Wait, how do I karate chop? I have the Mega Man belt! Or the... What is it? Oh! The belt for Wumbo! Mermaid Man belt! That's clean! They made SpongeBob cool as shit! I went the wrong way? I whiffed. It's W for Wumbo! Literally, that's why I whiffed. You got it set to M for Mini. I really like how many moves SpongeBob has, but he doesn't have a lot of combos that go into each other. Like, you have the stun Wumbo, right? But even off of the stun Wumbo, I can only hit him with like the jellyfish, you know? And then I get pizza tossed by Walter White. Like, I think I can do imagination, Wumbo to imagination. If he stops, just give me a second to breathe. Wumbo to imagination. Oh, he almost had it. Okay, yeah, that was deserved. SpongeBob equals W for sure.
Choose your fight.
That was. He has potential for sure, and I think I just need to like plays him for a second. I'm gonna try Anvil. I'm gonna see what Anvil's talking about. Is the Anvil bad? I was told the Anvil is high class. Anvil with the Gibbie combo?
Stratastar.
Anvil has one move, but it's fire. Anvil with the Gibbie combo. I think this should be definitely a good match. I know, having actual programmers in the chat is pretty clean. We have the creator of Oshawott. We have the Super Crusaders in here, Super Smash Crusaders. We have the creator of Draco. Hold on. Holy shit. Anvil's broken? Oh, the anvil is cracked. I'm actually broken. And then Cam is Milky, who is just a legend. Can I grab his anvil? I'm coming in with Gibbie. Gibbie! Gibbie incensed! Yes, sir! Oh, shit. That was nice. Anvil with the Gibbie combo. Oh, shit. Wait, so if I let go of, if I let go of my parachute, it doesn't do damage on the way down? I'm a fucking anvil. Oh, okay. What does this do? He only... Oh, God. Why am I hitting combos with the anvil? Why am I hitting combos with the anvil? With the anvil. Whoa! Come here, boy! Oh, I'm building tools on your... Oh, shit! I'm giving him the fucking Krabby Patty formula! Come here! Here comes the Gibbie assist! Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. I whiffed. I got greedy. I got greedy. I got greedy. I got greedy. Oh, shit. I'm coming back in. Oh, I got too greedy. I can't finish with Anvil? I can't finish? He doesn't have any smash moves? He's an Anvil? You would think at least one of them do? You're at 227? I know, I think I know how to kill you. I missed. Killed him with the anvil? Got the anvil kill off? He doesn't have any grabs? Any character with great combos can benefit with the Draco assist. I might need to grab that because my anvil has great combos but no finishers. I just got finished. I might run anvil one more time. Maybe not though. I have another character to play. Yeah, I have another character to play. I'm gonna play Blanca. I'm gonna switch assists. Gibbie was a good assist. Is the Draco assist that you're making like out? Can I get it right now? I'm just gonna... Okay. Maybe he's... I'm assuming you're talking to me, but I'm gonna get that after. Oh, it's been out since the 22nd. Okay. Hold on, Oshawott. I'm gonna go and get his assist. I don't know how to code for shit. To be honest, the creator of Blanca and Gengar mod helped me a bit with that. Oh, I was just looking at the Gengar. Literally just looking at it. Let me go to custom. Back to my... Is it just called Draco? Oh, Draco bot. Got you. Yes, sir. I got you, bro. It's crispy. Too crispy not to. Yes, sir. This one here. It got it. Been out since January 22nd. Yes, sir. I'm coming in with Dracobot. It will help you with the algorithms. I'll even give it an award. Do I have? Oh, I have so much. I'll give it a saucy award. So it'll really pop on the thing. I'll give this one. I'm gonna give Dracobot an award. You guys will be like the first things to pop up. Because nobody really does things. Oh, thank you so much for the follow, Ashawat. I really appreciate that. If I go to here, I'm gonna give this one thumbs up, favorite. If I give it an award, since nobody is making things, thank you, I really appreciate it. Returning the favor. You guys should be like the first things that pop up on the workshop, because nobody else really got ratings like that. Okay, back to business. It's the way. Password is pinned in chat. If anybody wants to join up, Super Usha Watts. Most likely you. Blanca with Dracobot. Lost Pup, thank you so much for the follow. There should be a reload button for sure, but it's super early access. There's like a lot of things that should be in the game. Dracobot. Why did the music stop? Did the music stop last time it was loading? But I have been loading in a lot of mods on the fly. Okay, here we go. The lobby. Shoot, I thought the lobby was open. I think I can. Can I add? Hold on. I'll show it real quick. I'm sorry. Can I add? Like, if I have a 4-person lobby, and I have that open, can I do 1v1s, or would other people just have to like stand on the side and watch while people do the 1v1 in the middle? They only show out of match. Oh, it's free for all. Okay. So, I mean, I can have multiple people join and have just, like, stand off to the side type shit. If you guys want to do that. Or we can just do by, like, we'll do best out of 3 and I'll just keep cycling. I'll probably do that. Like, best out of 3 and keep cycling. So, after Ashawat, I'll play Lost Pup. Alright, let's do this, Ashawat. Let's get serious. I'm sorry. I'm not liking Blanca. He's not a good. He hits hard, but like his movesets is hurting. Where's his thing? Oh, there it is. Can't I grab you and do that at the same time? Sly Cooper would be fire! Sly Cooper would be so gassed. That was one of my favorite games growing up. Was Sly Cooper. If somebody could make that, holy, I'd pay money. DLC. There's like 3 or 4 developers in here, bro. Somebody please make a Sly Cooper character. Firstly, hoping for either Alex Mercer or Cole McGrath. Those would also be very clean characters to add. Let me see Dracobot. Get his ass! Oh! Oh! The Draco bot is nice. I'm liking it.
No end to this.
But Blanca is not. He's not a good character for me. I'm going back to Cowboy. He's slow motion mode. Something that'll be fun.
Character.
Just saying ideas and then developers make them in a few days. Literally. But that's okay because if they make them, then we can play them. And I'll be here and you can watch. I think Prototype would be an insane work compared to Cole. But Cole would require an entire spriting and balancing him would be rough. That would be very true. Cole and... is his name? Alex would be stance change, which is planned, I'd imagine. Blanca looks really slow and clunky. He is. When I move like his character, like I'll click the move stick, he'll take a second to move. And then when he does move, it's like almost 2 frames past where you want him to stop. Yeah, he's fast. He's fast, but he's not coordinated. He's exactly how I feel like Blanca would move in real life. Oh. No! I wanted to go back Draco bot. Who the fuck is this dude? What's that one game called where it has Marvel, DC, and Street Fighter and it's pixelated? Oh, man. I was gonna say Brawlhalla. Like, there's... No, I think I know which one he's talking about. It's like... It's not like an official game, is it?
One-on-one.
What? Yeah, Cowboy's definitely my favorite character. Ronald McDonald and Muggin? Muggin. Ronald McDonald's and Muggin? Like, actually? The Cowboy is gonna be super gas when he's finished. Wait, how do I do the... Oh, that's not it. Oh, that's unfortunate. Someone made him for rivals as well, and dear God, he's OP. You talking about Ronald McDonald? Have you ever played Yami? Oh, yes. It is a great game. I have the open beta from itch.io, and I'm going to play that later on today. Oh, whoa! He can do multiple up specials. That's nice. Wait. That's tough. He doesn't have a lot of like he is dodging the mess out of me. He doesn't have a lot of finishing moves. And it's hard to hit the like the blades, the only special he really has. I cannot capitalize, and I know he can't really hit me because my character's tiny. I'm watching my sword go through him. Nice. Imagine Hori Bash, but actually amazing. Can someone please make Luka Doncic use LeBron James moves? He doesn't have... It's hard to get him close enough to where he can hit you, but also... all of his moves are done. Yeah, GG. Oshawott. Who else wanted to play? I think it was Lost Pup. Lost Pup. I will try playing Oshawott. He was Clay. I didn't want to play him while you were him, because that's like... I mean, that makes people's stomach hurt. Nobody else. Yes, sir, Sean. Let's do this.
Select your character.
I'm using Dracobot. He's actually a really good assist. I want to switch it up. I'm gonna switch it up. I'm gonna go to.
The Spire.
I'm gonna get more maps also. When I have a little bit of free time. Do you know who made Gengar's Twitter? Oh yeah, you guys can collab and make that Sly Cooper one. Check Draco's recolors? How do I do that?
1-on-1.
Oh shit! He's also Oshawott! Woo! Wumbo Belt? Wumbo Ray? Sans? He's on McDonald Gaming Discord. Oh, you're not. I was like, McDonald's Gaming Discord? Dracobot. Wait, Dracobot doesn't automatically track, he just goes up? Or does he track, like, at a certain range? Like, within a certain radius? In the next round. And it is a certain radius. Okay. This from the Muggin? It sucks that they didn't make that like into like a full official game like on Steam like they did this one. They might have. I haven't really looked. He just went up twice. I might have to be closer. I think I have to be closer. That's what it's looking like. No, I try to read. What a karate chop! Oh! I see it. Oh, fuck. Oh, I didn't know I could blast that back. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. That was nice. Why is Oshawott so cracked? Oshawott's cracked. I'm gonna have to play him next.
Select your character.
What the fuck? Super SpongeBob, he doesn't have good like they don't have good combos. He'll hit and he'll lose it and he'll go flying. Nah. I'm good with Blanca. I will give you your props here and now. That was nice. But I want to play against Lost. I'm playing against Dracobot next. Mans came in. He gave me the sauce respectfully. Now it's Dracobot's. Yeah, the Blanca just made me. He tucked me in and it said it's time to go to bed. He said it's time to go to bed. It's past your bedtime. That shit was no good. Holy shit. Draco bot. Let's go.
Choose
do
your
this.
character.
I don't know how he's broken for you, but not for, when I was playing him. He was slow as shit and did not work properly. I'll go Cowboy against Draco bot, and I'm gonna do Walter White assist with the Walter White assist combo.
Stratastar.
The Draco bot assist is fire. I simply understand the slow big boys. You're just him. Man's was constructed abnormally.
One-on-one.
I want to see Gengar. I'm excited for Gengar.
Showtime.
He looks crispy. Like, he looked really nice. Like, blended into the game map. What does Walter White do? I'm gonna show you. When I get his assist, you're gonna see. All these assists they work really well too.
First blood.
Gengar is really well made. Yeah, he is. Like, his sprites look good. Oh, I fucking fucked up. He throws a pizza. That's what Walter White does. He throws a pizza and you can get caught in it. Did you just put me to sleep? Yeesh. Yeah. If I'm not mistaken, this is Gengar from Muggin. A lot of the sprites you see in this game are from Muggin. Like, I believe the Oshawott one is, and the creator of the Oshawott sprite for this game is also chilling in chat. Yes, sir! Sadly, Ronald had not been ported yet. Walter White assist. Watch how it goes. He didn't get caught in it. Does the pizza still hurt you if it's on? Nope. Okay, cool. Oh, that's unfortunate. That's so unfortunate. I try to hit you with it. I'm so excited to see the characters that come out of this game and the plays. It's like, this is what multiverses really should have been. Nice. You made Oshawott in 2 weeks? Honestly, that's pretty good. Especially since he's definitely one of the best characters in the game right now. Gengar is pretty cracked too. Like, he's really well meshed into the map. I really like how he looks. Oh, does a fast process need to buff him? I mean, bro, that's what I'm saying. The Cowboy is crazy. I'm loving the Cowboy. When he's finished, he's gonna be so good. Nice.
Go either way.
His range is diabolical. It's literally not real life. And his combo can damn near go across the map. But I try to avoid using that. Oh, I thought that was it for me. No! I read chat and got fucking boomed. I looked to my left, he hit me with the hypnosis and that was it for me. Not gonna lie, if you use Cowboy and Mr. Beast assist, it's over. Do his a cross stage combo, then hit him with the assist. It's a free stock. I was looking at the Mr. Beast assist too. I was like, I'm gonna have to grab that, but I didn't, and now I'm mad. Can you see the alt costumes for Oshawott? Yeah, I'll check them out right now. Cowboy is from a game. It's called Yami Hustle. It's supposed to be out on Steam, and it is correct. Oh, I didn't pick my assist properly, and now I have a regular one. That's kind of poopy. I wanted to do Metal Pipe.
One-on-one.
The small version of Cowboy is the size he is in the game of Origin, but Big Cowboy is like, so it scales him up to the other characters. At least that's what I'm kind of putting together. As you can see, I'm an anvil right now, and anvil goes crazy. The damage output on an anvil is nuts. Anvil is insane. Oh yes, sir. Oh, the combos I can get with this is crazy. Oh, what a grab. I got hit in my face. And I can't fucking fix it. There we go. Is there no way to really kill with Anvil? Anvil main over Gengar main! Yes, sir! I can't jump? My jump was broken? It's okay? Ah, it's okay, it's okay. I picked the wrong assist. If I would have had my assist, he would have been done for. Oh, Draco bot. I'm trying to jump, but my guy won't jump. He's been juggling me. I'm an anvil. Get him. Yes, sir. Come on. No, I got hit with hypnosis. Would hit. Nice. Another good combos. I'm getting off good combos. He doesn't drop. Yes, shields only work on one side. Which is kind of poopy. Can't lie to you. You gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. $290 kill is crazy, right? I thought I was hallucinating. I thought I was going through delusions. I don't have my assist. That's the problem. Jacob, get out the way! Oh shit. Yeah, literally, you can't have a shitty assist. The assist I had was not the move. Especially with Anvil. I'm gonna go back Anvil and change my assist. I think I'm gonna have a normal assist. Oh wait, no. Yeah.
Fancy Pants Man.
Fancy Pants Man, I think, is the... What about Joseph? What about Joseph? Yeah, Deadpool and Baby Bluey. It does?
One-on-one. Go!
Deadpool looks a lot smoother than I thought he did.
How you like me now? Take notes! Owie! Ain't
Oh. Oh my goodness, anvil combo is crazy. Anvil combos. It's nuts.
Present for you. That gun will shoot.
Take this. Yes, sir. Fancy pants with anvil combo is definitely the way.
Owie. Pineapple surprise. Owie. Owie.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Man does not. Nobody is hanging with anvil fancy pants combo. Now that I've got it down. Oh my gosh! Here he comes! Yes, sir!
Take notes.
The Deadpool turnaround animation is a little cursed.
Curses foiled again. Owie.
I'm an anvil, boy.
Present
Tournament
for ya.
Hold on.
Take notes.
Hold on. I'm finishing the tech. I'm finishing the combo.
Owie. Curses foiled again. Have gun will shoot.
Come on.
Feel the love of the hyper combo. How you like me now? Pineapple surprise.
No, he went the wrong way. It takes so long to get him. Oh, what a spike! What a spike!
Have gun
Deadpool's death sounds are killing me. I can't lie to you. These are really well put into the game. Deadpool, I like when their animations fit with the background.
Hey now. Yo mama. Owie. Owie.
Oh yeah, it's over with. It's over with. It's over with. Here comes Stickman. Here he comes. You went the wrong way, you stupid rat bastard! Fuck! Okay.
Owie. Feel the love of the hyper combo.
It's funny because I was just watching that TV show in French.
Owie. Yo mama. Owie.
I need fancy pants or I'm not getting a kill off.
Owie.
I just need to hit another combo. Let me crack my knuckles. I'll let you get that one.
Feel the love of the hyper combo. Yo mama. Curses foiled again. Foiled again.
You went the wrong way! Fuck!
Coming at you. How you like me now?
You're at 233. No kill is not real life. He doesn't have any launching things. There could be back in his universe saying he got killed by an anvil. Holy shit! All of you guys, I'm begging you. I'll put it in the Discord too. If you guys can make me a Sly Cooper character, I will play nobody else but him. Literally, he will be my main. But all the characters I've seen so far, Oshawott, but the dude we just looked at, all of the assists, Gibbie assists. Bro, that made the game so much better to play. Like, I was sitting back and relaxing, I was like, bro, this game's kind of shitty. You know, like in the beginning when I could just have the three, but the possibility, the endlessness that can come with this game is actually exciting. And I play a lot of fighting games, and this is the first one I've seen that has like potential beyond its initial game limits. It's pretty nice. But I'm gonna call it here. I'm gonna pick, I don't know, somebody random to raid. I have 6 viewers. They might appreciate it. They might not. Tipper smash attacks do more damage than base when the opponent is coated. Oh, wait. So what I was talking about earlier, my bad. What I was talking about earlier was right then. So when he's coated, they do more damage. That's nice. That's actually really nice. Because I was gonna say, maybe switch from like raw damage to knockback, but that's really good. That's a really good debuff, especially because he's a heavier character to play as, so he's a lot slower. So having that debuff is probably pretty good. See who else is Am I the only person that's playing fraymakers? Okay. I guess I'll follow to become a deity. This guy looks cool. I sent you this guy. Hopefully he's not weird. If he's weird, just let me know. And I just will never send you to him again. Let's do it. Cool. Alright guys, see you guys around. See you guys in the next one.